I'm a student here doing a PhD at Waikato University. I'm part of the Lake Ecosystem Restoration Group, and that's in the Faculty of Science and Engineering. Yeah, the title, that's evolving. At the moment, it's something along the lines of measuring success, community groups and environmental restoration. And really my subject area is around community environmental groups, and they're often volunteers and they're out there all across New Zealand working in a whole range of different ecosystems, working in forests, lakes, wetlands, dune systems, you name it. They're engaged in restoration activities. So I'm interested in that work, and I'm really interested also in how they're measuring their success. So they're doing all of this spade work, and how do they know that they're making a real difference in terms of ecological outcomes? A bit surreal actually. I went in mainly with the aim of improving my public speaking, because I wanted to be able to speak coherently about what I was doing without boring people stupid, without using lots of words like and yeah, just able to really communicate in a clear way, and also in a way that was engaging as well. Yeah. Well, there have been some good outcomes already. There's an event happening next year which is around public engagement and science, so I've been invited or roped into that, and I'm also going to be putting my the winnings into getting a ticket to the States. So I'm really interested in what's happening over there, because part of the research is about looking more in depth at what's happening in New Zealand, putting it into a national perspective and also an international perspective as well. And so going over to the States will also allow me to basically present my findings to an international audience. There may be lots of differences between what we're doing here, there may also be some good synergies too. It's probably the only opportunity that you'll really get to look at a topic that intrigues you in that level of detail, and it's highly stimulating. Yeah, of course it's hard work, but that's also what it's about. It's about challenging yourself, and it's also about learning a lot of new stuff. For me, that's been learning about technology, how I can use technology better within my work, whether that's social research tools, whether that's blogging, whether it's Facebook, just those types of things. So yeah, a great time for doing that. My goal in coming to Waikato University was to get as much out of the university as I could, and I'm certainly doing that. And one thing is that the university offers a lot. You're able to really go and talk to the people who you need to in a very informal, very casual way, just knock on their door and get the help that you need, and I think that's fantastic.